Hello and welcome to this video series where we will talk about how a cleaning business owner can be benefited from different types of softwares. Particularly in this video, I will talk about Servicemates and how it can be benefited for cleaning businesses. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So if you visit the Servicemates app, you can see that they have a dedicated page for cleaning business owners. So if you scroll down, you will see that all the benefit you can get from their software solution. You can call your customer from this software. You can create a job. You can see the appointment based on the timing, based on the staff, based on the location. And you can easily complete your job, create invoice and ask for the payment, and do reconciliation in Xero or QuickBook. So in this video I will go through each steps and I will show you how we can do that into this software. So let's talk about calling your customer. You can easily do call within this software, and you can manage your phone call. You can manage and transfer your phone call. You can easily see the transcript, and you can easily handle within your invoices and within your payments. This is very flexible and very easy to use, and definitely it can save a lot of your time. However, it will cost you another $19 for initial, and unlimited plan will cost you $90. Okay, so and the second one is job creation. We can easily create a job post within this software. So let's do it again. So if you came to the home page, you can see all of the features they have right now. So if you click the dispatch bot, you can see that you can easily create a job post from this software. So we will create job post, new job, and we will call the customer, for example Diana. I will select existing one. Okay, and we can select the number, PO number, let's say 10. Okay, and I will add the description as well. So but there is a benefit for that. I will show you after. Okay, and I can create save option. Okay, so here we have created a job on our software, and here you can see that all of the job posts we have right now, and we can easily filter all the job posts based on different types of status. So if we double click on this, we can see that they have a job status option. For initial stage, we can save it as a code, or we can save it as a work order. So let's save it as a work order. Save, yeah. And this way we can easily change the status. Okay, let's talk about the next steps. So see appointment, yeah. So as you have seen that we can see all of the appointment in the same places. Okay, this is very easy to use and it saves a lot of time. So let's talk about the fourth option, which is complete job. So if we want to complete the job, we have to see all the relevant information, for example billing, for example checklist. So here I have mentioned these dots and this description and this error section. Do you know why is it? Because if you want to use this software within your phone, within your iOS version, you have to you need checklist, and to create a checklist you have to add this dash option into your description, and this way you will create a different types of checklist point within your app. Okay, so let's create is a complete. Yeah, as you can see, we have created a completed, and based on the situation we can easily schedule this. Okay, you can easily schedule this. Okay, let's talk about invoices. uh, uh, so in this software we can easily create invoices, preset services, materials, and we can easily add different types of item with it, and we can also add tax and all the relevant information. So let's click the job post we have created. Okay, code, we have to create code and invoices, and we have to add the item. For example, R4. Okay, this is very much relevant in cleaning businesses. Okay, let's create R4. Yes, room cleaning chemicals. Okay, let's give a price. Okay, here we can give a price, and we can also add service, our charges. For example, experience, labor. Okay, labor, create experience labor, and we can add, for example, certified labor. Okay, and yeah, and this way we can save it. Let's create an invoice based on that. Put an invoice we have to create, and we can easily save it. We can print it, or you can share with email. So let's create. So if you type an email, you can easily send this information to this particular mail. Let's create send. Yeah, they have sent the email. Okay, let's talk about the next option, which is take payment on site or online. So if you want to take payment from on site, you have to use their particular payment option into your iOS apps. You can easily add card. You can easily pay credit card or debit card. And if you want to manage all of your invoices, you have to reconcile with your Xero or QuickBook. Okay, popular feature is recurring job. Recurring job is popular feature. Let's talk about. So if you are providing commercial cleaning services or repetitive cleaning services, you can do a recurring job. Let's create a recurring job. So to do that, you have to go to the you have to hover on account section or click, and you have to click on feature and integration. Okay, let's wait for a second, and we have to write down recurring. Okay, so here you can see that you will get different types of add-on. Let's create on that. So number one is recurring job plus reminder. So they will help you in terms of recurring job and reminder. So you just have to turn it on. And the next one is recurring job and auto routing. I will show you how it can help you in terms of saving your time. So we have to on these two feature or two plugins. Okay, if you don't have, if it's off, you have to turn it on. Okay, oh, what the heck. Okay, just make it. Okay, just we have to turn it on. Let's close it. Okay, auto routing system, I will show you everything. Just wait for a second. So the next one is online booking. For online booking, you have to use their short code. So in the next video, I will show you how you can add their short code into your website, and you can how you can show all this funnel so into your website. Okay, so let's talk about how you can create a auto routing system. So if you have create all of this your job, you have to click on part on order. So the order you have created, and you have approved the invoices. So if you go to the dispatch map, you will see that, for example, yeah, this is our home office space. So if we click on this option, they will show you the route, how you can came from the office and provide a service. Okay, and that's how you can save a lot of time, and you will go to the particular location and go for the next location, and you can track all of this in the same place. Okay, so the next one would be automated communication. So okay, so let's talk about how we can integrate automation within our communication with client, and that can be applicable for email and SMS as well. So if we go to the settings, we have to go to the feature and integration. We have to add the feature. So if we type automation, okay, we have got the feature. We have to turn it on, and after that we have to go to the settings. This automation is particularly applicable when we want to save a lot of our time, because if we want to repeat, if we want to do follow up, or before arriving into the particular location, if we have to do all of the calls, if we have to send the calls, confirm do they in the home or not, this is very frustrating and very time consuming. But if we do this task into this automation and Servicem8, we can easily delegate this task into the software, and this software will do all of this tasks with their own, and we don't have to do anything. They will book confirmation. This automation will send you automated message after confirming any booking. They will help you in terms of reminder. They will help, this automation will also help you in terms of customer feedback. Okay, live streaming automation, and payment follow-up, and all the course and follow-up. Okay, so let's click on the settings. Let's edit one option, and here you can see that you can do it with email, and you can do it with your SMS as well. So you have to click next, and here you can customize all the messages if you want. Yeah, if you want to integrate, you want to improve by AI, you can do it as well, and you just have to click next and finished. Next, let's create another one. Okay, we will continue. Yeah, send message follow-up 8 hours before booking, but we don't want to send 8 hours ago. We just want to send a message, let's say 2 hours ago. This is more applicable, or we can say 4 hours ago is very much Okay, email should be let's say 12 hours ago. Okay, this delay, yes, again we can customize it based on the date, time. You can mention the location, yeah, with the questions. You can mention the location, phone number, and all of this, and confirm our address. Okay, we have to click finished. Okay, there is some error, but don't worry. Okay, let's close it. So let's refresh our system. Let's try, can we do it on the job or not. So let's create Diana's formula, and here you can see that we have got all the features, follow-up 6 month, follow-up 1 year, follow-up 1 month, and all the automated follow-up system. Okay, so follow-up 2 weeks, yes, we can say want to follow up 2 weeks, and based on the criteria you can do different types of follow-up as well. Okay, book reminder, yes, and that was pretty much all about it. Based on your need, you can actually customize the automations. And yes, I have talked about the easy card payment option, and if I yes, and the next and last option is email conversation. So to do that, we have to hover on the right and upper side of the page, and you can see there is inbox option. Rather than using your mailbox, you can use this mailbox. This is very efficient, but you have to attach your email into this settings. Okay, but currently it's not working, but based on your need, you can attach your mailbox in the here. Okay, this was all about it. If you want to learn more about this software, I will attach a link to this landing page. You can follow this landing page, you can follow the guideline, and you can do it on your own. And you can I can assure you that this software can save a lot of your time and money, and save you a lot of headache. And yeah, thanks for you watching. I will see you into the next video.